Today, we're going to learn, step by step, how to turn your images into stunning cartoon-style art using ChatGPT. Head over to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Upload your image. Type this prompt. Turn this into Studio Ghibli version. Hit send. Wait a few moments while the image is being processed. Awesome! The image is ready and you can download it right here. Now, let's animate the image. Go to this website, Klingai.com, select Video from the top menu. Then choose the option to turn an image into a video. Upload your image, wait for the upload to complete, adjust the settings however you like. Click Generate. It'll deduct points, but don't worry, you get free points when signing up for the first time. Let's wait for the video to finish generating. Awesome! Your animated video is now ready. You can use it as a full cartoon-style scene. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.